naughty, naughty my name, ea, ea. E naughty, naughty my name, ma'ane mai oi, ma'ane mai oi. Oh, you sweet thing, ma'ane mai oi, ma'ane mai oi. Oh, you sweet thing, kaumaka ehu ehu, kulana ho hai hai, ma'ane mai oi, ma'ane mai oi, ana oi honi aku, ma'ane mai oi, ma'ane mai oi. Oh, you sweet thing, come here, my dear, ma'ane mai oi, ma'ane mai oi. I think it's you with the tank top. Oh, you sweet thing. Watch out, she's making her pick. Those eyes, kulana ho hai hai, ma'ane mai oi. Come here, you, ma'ane mai oi, so that I can give you that real big Hawaiian kiss. Hey ya ula, hey ya ula. Oh, you sweet thing. Hey ya ula, hey ya ula. Here I am. Oh, you sweet thing. Well, now let me ask you.
So what do you think? How's my body?
What
do you think about these hips?
Here I am. Take me, all of me. All of me, right from my kapo'o atahi'u down to my toes. Haina, 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 just for you. For you with the green shirt. Haina, haina, oh, you sweet thing. Those eyes of yours, komaka and that way about you, kulana ho hai hai, ma'ane mai oi, ma'ane mai oi, hana oi honi aku, haina pauloa, haina ia mai, haina meaning it's the end of this song. Oh, you sweet thing, haina ia mai, haina ia mai. Oh, you sweet thing, komaka
Those eyes.
tulana
And that way about you.
Ma'ane, come here, you. Ma'ane mai, so that I can give you that real big Hawaiian kiss. Haina should be the ending of every song that we sing. But with you, my darling, it's just the beginning. Naughty, naughty, my name. Awe, awi. Naughty, naughty, my name. Hawaii's own, the belle of Honolulu.
Auntie Belle.